Very good afternoon. There was a technical issue during the start of this program. Best plan for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. 12-month subscription. For 1 year subscription, 12,375. That is at the rate of 1,031 rupees per month. 6-month plan is available at the rate of 10,125. And 1 month plan is available 2,250. Trial price for this program is for the newcomers, that is 2,250 for new subscriptions, and use the code ASHLIVE. Use the code ASHLIVE. You will get 10% discount. What you are getting in this at this price? You are getting premium content at affordable price. Premium content at affordable price. And apart from that, structured live course. Dedicated live doubt clearing session, quiz at regular interval for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series, 40 pp, full length mock, etc. with analysis. Single subscription for unlimited access. Okay, बच्चों, I tell you. दो चार कर दो. बच्चों, let us start. Today's topic is chemical thermodynamics. Interesting topic. Chemical thermodynamics. Let me tell you about the chemical thermodynamics. When I am teaching you chemical thermodynamics, what do you mean by what we are going to teach you in this chapter? Chemical thermodynamics. I am taking a chemical thermodynamics. What we are studying? Thermometer means heat. Dynamic means motion. Heat in motion. That means heat in motion. Let us tell you about the chemicals, what we are going to study. When we are studying, there are the two things: microscope, intensive. What about intense? System and surrounding. We are starting from system and surrounding. उससे कहना 10-15 मिनट सर आ रहे हैं, कहना वेट करो. System, I'm talking of system and surrounding. System and surrounding. System, what do you mean by system? Part of universe which is under observation. Rest part of universe. Rest part of universe. Rest part of universe is called surrounding. Is called rest part of universe is called surrounding. Let us tell you important thing. Process. What do you mean by process? Process क्या होती है? Let us tell you process. Process. If I'm talking of process, there are many type of process which takes place in thermodynamics, and out of these process, first is isothermal. First process is called isothermal process. Then is adiabatic. Then isothermal process, adiabatic process. Then comes isobaric process, isochoric, reversible process, as well irreversible. Cyclic. When I'm talking cyclic process, it is start and terminate at the same point. It is start and terminate at same reversal, single direction process. This is bidirectional. Bidirectional. Isochoric. The process, if I say, let me explain you something about each one, and let me brief, then I will explain in detail. The process which takes place, at constant volume, isobaric. The process which takes place at constant pressure is called isobaric. Adiabatic process, the process during which in a heat remains constant. Heat remains constant. And isothermal process during the process of change during which heat temperature remains constant. These are the various type of the processes which we are going to study in detail later. First, starting from cyclic process. Let me give a minute so that I can start it. Cyclic process. Cyclic process. I'm coming one by one to each. Is cyclic process. Cyclic process. Process starts and terminates at same point. I mean to say, a process starts from A going to B, which is always directional, then proceed to C and moving to D, again terminating at position A. Cyclic process. During cyclic process, state functions value remain 0. I'm telling you state functions. What are the state functions? State functions are the function which do not depends upon the way of change. But that means path of change. But depends upon magnitude. Magnitude of change. चेंज कितना हुआ इस बात पे डिपेंड करते हैं, बट चेंज कैसे हुआ डू नॉट डिपेंड हाउ द चेंज टेक्स प्लेस. So if I say, I take an example, a boy is rising the height and topping the floor, start from here and walking down stairs and reaches to this height. Okay, and at this height he goes by using stairs, so he reaches a height from here base to this height. Another boy used lift. What he is using? Lift. And another boy is going to using the lift and reaching to same height of this. That means both the boys rose up same height, but their path is different. So we can say that magnitude is same, magnitude of change is same, but enthalpy, internal energy, entropy gives free energy. All are state functions. That means the value of thank you my friend. The value of these functions remain zero for cyclic process. कहना 5 मिनट. So delta H is enthalpy, 0 for cyclic process. Delta U is internal energy 0. Delta S 0 and delta G is also 0. ऋत्विक बस 2 मिनट में खाली हो रहा हूँ. चलते हैं दोनों लोग. Now I'm coming to भैया से irreversible. Suppose carbon plus oxygen gives you carbon dioxide. This is irreversible process. Reversible. if the process takes place in both the directions. If the process takes place in both the direction, then it is called reversible. For an example, N2 plus H2 gives me twice NH3. N2 plus H2 gives me twice NH3. This is reversible. I take one more example. Isobaric process. The process which takes place at constant volume is called isobaric. So suppose a process A, yeah, volume V1 and the process B where volume is again V1. The change in volume delta V is change in volume V1 minus V1, that is 0. Process change of internal energy, change of internal energy is an isobaric process. Change of internal energy is an isobaric process. Now I'm coming to isobaric. Process which takes place at constant pressure is called isobaric process. All processes which takes place in an open sky are called isobaric process. Any change at room temperature is isobaric. Adiabatic. I'm going to teach you detail in next session. Adiabatic change takes place when energy or heat remain constant. Q is okay. We are closing the meeting. We will meet you soon in next session. Just a moment. And we will start adiabatic and isothermal. एक मिनट आप सर से ही बात कीजिए। क्या क्या हेलो, हाँ बोलो सोनू जी। एक्चुअली मैं नीचे लेफ्ट में, एक्चुअली आपको मैंने कहा 2:30 बजे, मेरी 2 बजे एक मीटिंग थी पूरे ऑल इंडिया। अब वो क्या होता है, उसमें कैमरे लगे होते, मैं हिल नहीं सकता हूँ। वो अभी जस्ट क्लोज की है और मैं लिफ्ट में हूँ, विद इन अ मिनट पहुंच रहा हूँ, 2 मिनट में। आपको करना है क्या, कुछ लेटर वगैरह क्या पूछ रहे थे? लेटर के लिए कुछ पूछ रहे थे? हाँ बस आ गया मैं, बस मुश्किल से 2 मिनट।